I picked up the Carex raised toilet seat with arms to help me get in and off the toilet after my surgery. I was very pleased with how easy it was to install. Just 3 steps and it was ready to use in just a few minutes. This is great for people who have trouble bending or sitting. It adds 4.5 inches of height to the toilet seat. It has padded armrests for added safety and stability. They can be adjusted for different heights too. The installation is quick, secure, and tool-free. I like that. It fits most toilets. The toilet seat riser will fit round, standard, and elongated toilets. The hole in the middle is 9 inches. And it has 18 to 20 inches between the arms, and the seat is 15.5 inches wide. Best of all, it's very comfortable. The toilet seat is designed to conform to body contours and is designed for those who weigh 300 pounds or less. This is going to make my life a lot easier.